In this video, I'm going to show you how to separate a multi-page scan into a separate PDF file for each individual page in Brother's iPrint&Scan for Windows and macOS. First, you need to make sure that you have already discovered your Brother device in iPrint&Scan. Click on Select Your Machine. iPrint&Scan will search for any USB machines connected to your computer or any machines connected to the same network as your computer. Select the machine you want and then click OK. Once the machine has been selected, we can perform the scan. Click on Scan. Here we can configure the settings for the scan. We can set the document size, and the colour settings, and the resolution. Remember, the higher the resolution, the bigger the file size. And two-sided scanning, if two-sided scanning is available on your device. In this example, we are scanning a simple document, so we'll leave the settings as they are. You can find some more advanced settings by clicking on All Settings. We've already selected the basic settings, so we will move to the Document Correction tab. In the Document Correction tab, you will find other options that will alter the finished file. We will not select any of these. Next, we'll look at the Enhancement tab. Here we can adjust the brightness and the contrast. We will leave these at the default settings. And on the Feed Control tab, we can set 2 pages in one. We'll leave it as it is. Once you've made any settings you want, click OK. Now we have made all the settings we need for the scan, we can start the scan by clicking the Scan button. The machine will scan the document. When the scan is complete, you will see a preview of the document. Here we can see the 6 pages that we scanned. In this example, I'm going to save the scan to my PC, so I'll click on Save to PC. Next, we need to give the scan a file name. We will call this Test Scan. The date and a unique number will be added automatically. Select PDF as the file type and then click Settings. Here is where we can configure the file separation settings. To begin, select the Document Separation option, where you can choose from either Separate Document by Image Count or separate the document by page count. But what do these settings mean? In this example, the 2-page document that I'm about to scan has print on both sides of each page. And to make it easy to remember, iPrint&Scan refers to each physical piece of paper as a page. With the settings shown here, as well as two-sided scan turned on, iPrint&Scan will create 2 PDF files when scanning those 2 pieces of paper, with print on both sides. In other words, each PDF file has 2 pages containing the front and back side of each piece of paper. If double-sided scanning were turned off, it will still create 2 PDF files. However, each one would only contain 1 page. In other words, the side that was being scanned. Remember that iPrint&Scan refers to a single piece of paper that has print on both sides as a page. It calls each side of these pieces of paper images. So if you wanted to generate separate PDF files for each of these images, you will select this setting instead, which would generate 4 individual PDF files if you had two-sided scanning turned on. In this example, I'm going to set two-sided scanning to off, document separation to on, and select separate document by page count to 1 page. So it will save 6 PDF files, each containing 1 page of the scan. Once you have made the setting, click OK. Then click Save. The PDF files will now be saved and stored in the location specified earlier. For easy access, these PDF separation settings can be saved in a workflow. Please follow the link for instructions on how to create a workflow. Thank you for watching this video on how to set PDF file separation on Brother iPrint&Scan for Windows and Mac OS.